In this episode, I'm going to share with you the complete process of how I create highlights in my artwork from start to finish. So without wasting your time, let's get started. Highlights are the brightest part of the image. In other words, the areas of the image which are highly exposed are called the highlights. For example, in this image, which is I recently created, as you can see, I painted the highlights. They are a little brighter than the midtones and extremely brighter than the shadows. There are mainly three blend modes that I personally use for creating highlights. To understand further, let's use this example, in which all three blend modes are used for the same image. First one is the screen blend mode. It makes whatever color you choose brighter and removes blacks in the image. Secondly, the color dodge, which I personally use for lights and fires. It gives saturated midtones and brightens and blown highlights. And lastly, the linear dodge, which is same as screen blend mode, but it is a little bit brighter than it. I always like to use the combination of all three blend modes to make my highlight I personally want. I started with dropping the background and used levels to darken it. And went on to drop the subject, which is RDJ, and selected it using quick selection tool and created mask. After that, I used the color balance and changed the background color to teal blue. To create the source of light, I dropped a flare PNG and changed the blend mode to color dodge. Although there are many possible ways that you can use to create highlights. First one is by simply creating a blank layer and changing the blend mode to screen and painting wherever you want. Select the hue saturation, flip the layer to the subject, check the colorize and increase the saturation slider to all the way to 100 and slowly increase the lightness to match the light source and invert the mask and start to paint. And at last, I'm going to show you my personal favorite method that I use daily. Select the solid color, match the light source and clip it to the subject. Now double click on the layer to open Layer Styles dialog box. In the Blend X, adjust the down slider as shown. Press and hold Alt and slide from left to right to create a smooth transition. Now invert the mask and paint the area that's supposed to face the light of the background. I'm going to do the exact process for the blue highlights as well. support because after beating the Instagram algorithm, we are going to hit 4000 followers. So do check out my Instagram page where I upload almost every week. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one, and thanks for the massive support.